Reversible insoles repurpose footstep energy into heating and cooling. Will, take it easy over there. You know, this type of thing gets my attention.
Yeah, you like the cooling.
I need that cooling. I need to get that cooling going. Am I buying this? Am I buying or selling?
You don't even have the product.
That's the point, Will. Heated insoles we've looked at previously generally use batteries to create electrical heat for warming up icy toes. French company Soul Cooler has a different idea. It bypasses the electrical hardware and gets its power straight from the source to feed themselves. Its insoles use mechanical energy from basic stepping motions to drive integrated heating and cooling elements. The reversible two-sided design means that when the seasons change, the wearer can simply flip the sole over to get the opposite effect. I love it. Can the technology really work this way? Is it actually effective? Whether the wearer has the insoles placed cool side up or heat side up, both sides work via basic physics to create the desired effect. You can heat up, creating a heating effect of up to 4 degrees Celsius via air compression on the upward motion of the stride. Where's that? And then the air expands back into the soft cells on the cooling side, creating a cooling effect of up to minus 3.5 Celsius. The user feels only the effect that corresponds to the side that's facing up. I'm buying. I think
that's massive, eh?
I'm buying.
Okay.
I am not selling. I am buying. Where do I click? Where do I click? It's not as dramatic as a battery-powered temperature regulation system, but obviously
that's just enough.
You don't need the battery.
Yeah.
They maintain energy as long as the wearer keeps moving. Well, where do I click? Where do I click? How much am I paying?
It's called Soul Cooler.
Yes. Where do I click?
No Soul Heater.
Well, because the heater one is already done, I guess, by the battery-powered ones. Like the battery-powered insoles can really heat things up. You have heating products. You even have those little, like when you go skiing or snowboarding.
The heat pads?
Heat pads. They do an insole version. I think the cooler is a little weirder to do.
Yeah. So this is the website.
And to have heating and cooling on. I can buy it right now. Look at this. 79 euros. I'm buying. I am buying. I am buying. As soon as this show's over, I'm ordering.
So simple, eh?
I mean, if it works, cool. If it works.
The cool side is blue and the hot side's red.
I'm letting you know.
And then you just flip it over.
I'm letting you know if it works. Soul Cooler took home a spot in 2023's first round of ISPO awards this month, perhaps helped out by the fact that the jury deliberated from the chilly confines of an igloo village near Austria. In Austria, Climb Feet insoles are available now for around $70, shipping around the world. I don't know. You guys don't buy it yet.
Brevin said consult Mo before you buy.
Don't buy it yet, guys. I will buy it, and as soon as I get it, I'll let you know what's going on.
All right.
I'll let you know what's going on. Minus 3.5C. That's what I need.